Looking to make your images and videos pop? Introducing Transparent Background, powered by InSPyReNet. This tool lets you easily remove backgrounds from images and videos. Try Transparent Background today and see the difference.
Now let's start with the installation. So the first step is we need to clone the repository on our local machine. For that, copy the command mentioned in step 1. Navigate to the folder where you want to install. Type cmd in address bar and press enter. This will open the command prompt. Now paste the command and press enter. Once the cloning is complete, we need to navigate inside the cloned repository. So for that, copy paste the command mentioned in step 2 and press enter. Next step is to create the virtual environment. So the command mentioned in step 3 will help us create virtual environment. Once the virtual environment is created, we need to activate the same. So paste the command mentioned in step 4 and press enter. This will activate the virtual environment. Now we are going to upgrade the pip. So copy paste the command mentioned in step 5 and press enter. So while the pip is being upgraded, let's complete step 6. So this is a manual step. So open the folder where we have cloned. Now there is one setup.py file. Open this in text editor. Now navigate to line number 27. Here we need to remove torch and torch vision. So select and delete this. So it should look like a square bracket and then open cv-python. Save this file and close it. I've mentioned this here in the installation guide as well. So initially it will look like this. We just need to remove this part, delete it, and then it will look like this. Next, we need to install Torch with CUDA drivers. So copy paste the command mentioned in step 7, paste using mouse right click and press enter. Now this will take some time. So let's wait for the installation to finish. Now the Torch is successfully installed. Next step is to install the remaining dependencies. So copy the command mentioned in step 8, paste and press enter. And let's wait for the installation to finish. The installation is now complete. So I will close this command prompt. Now each time we want to launch the web UI, we'll have to first activate the virtual environment and then launch the web UI. So for that, always open the folder where we have cloned this repository and type cmd in the address bar and press enter to open the command prompt. Now paste this command to activate the virtual environment. Next, copy this command, paste and press enter. So the server is started and here is the web UI. We can change the mode to dark or light mode as per our comfort. Now instead of activating the virtual environment and then using this command to launch each time, we can create a bat file. So copy this content and paste it in a new file. Now we need to save this file inside this folder. So copy this path and save it. Maybe launch underscore transparent background dot bat. So you can give it any name. Just make sure it ends in the extension of .bat and save this. And then you can close it. Now each time you can double click this file to launch, or you can create a shortcut on the desktop. Now the interface is pretty straightforward. Here is the type where you can select the type of background that you want. RGBA is for to remove the background completely or make it transparent. Then there is map, green, white, blur, etc. Then there are different modes. So I've only tested base mode for now. You can also select the device, whether you want to execute the processing on CPU or the graphics card. From here, you can select the file. Here you can select the directory for batch processing. Then this is the destination path, and you can click on process. So let's try with one of the image. So I've downloaded the media from pexels.com. So let's try with this image. So I will copy the path, open file, and then paste and select. Now since this is an image, I want to make it transparent. So I will leave the type as RGB and click on process. It's very fast. And as we see, the background is removed. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Now to explain the different types, I have created one image. So this was the original image, and these are the types. Now let's try this with one of the video. So I have downloaded this video again from pexels.com. Now the RGBA functionality does not work with videos. So you can use maybe green screen, and then you can remove that green screen in any of the video editor. Now I tried different types on this video, and this is the result. Not so happy with the results of blur, as not only the background is getting blurred, but the actual person is also getting blurred. That's it. Thank you.